Okay. Hi, Miss Lynn.
Hi.
It's been a couple of weeks, web development, and you've just concluded front end.
Yeah.
Next week, back end. How has it been for you so far? What's been the experience?
Well, it hasn't been easy, but I've learned a lot from the past more than a year. Let me say I came here empty, but I've been able to learn so much in less than 2 months. Within 2 months, that I've learned how to build responsive web interfaces from scratch, like with HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. I've also learned how to use frameworks like React.
Hi everyone, I'm Ariel. I came here in February to study the full stack web development, and from the beginning, I came here knowing only HTML and CSS. I did not really know well. Coming here to learn, I've learned many things like JavaScript and React. I think I can use that to build like the front end of a web page or a website. So, and it has not really been easy. That sometimes when a teacher teaches and you don't really understand, you have to go back and practice. I've learned that by trying to learn web development, you have to practice, you have to put in effort and practice every day so that you don't forget what you have been taught before.
Let's go. So tell us, what has been your experience so far? 2 months web development. You're concluding front end, next week back end. How's it been?
It has been a sweet, bitter experience. I never knew that the thing would be this tough. Hey, come on. So the first day I attended the HCM class, I was lost. In fact, if there was a way I could cry, I would cry. And I was asking myself, who sent me here? What am I doing in this class? But with time, I started understanding, but I would just say it's just determination. That's if you want to do something, you put your hand on it, you can do it. Me, I'm still facing difficulties, so it's not that I'm not facing them. Because I know what I want and the goals I want to achieve, I will continue the course and finish. So for now, what I've learned, I had the opportunity to learn HTML, CSS, JavaScript, and React. I won't say I'm an expert there because I'm facing difficulties which I'm trying to overcome. But I believe in time I'll be able to master it.